Mark here from FireBooth, and today we're going to be showing you how to set up the 8x8 tension fabric photo booth backdrop. This is a super easy backdrop to set up. I did it by myself, and you guys can too. I suggest you have one of these for your photo booth event. Makes it look super professional, wrinkle-free. Step one, you're going to build the frame. If you imagine a tent, they're bungee corded together, so you can easily connect them together. Just push on the tab and then connect the poles together. Don't attach the feet just yet. When you're putting it together, build the frame on its side so it's laying down. Step two, cover the frame with a tension fabric. Pick what side of the photo booth backdrop you want to be, and make sure that's on the bottom side, so it's the right side up that you want to be. And the zipper's on the bottom, and all you need to do is just zip it up. Step three, you're going to flip the backdrop. All right, the last part, attach the photo booth frame to the feet. All right, make sure everything looks good and you should be ready to go. If you like this video, go ahead and hit subscribe and check out our website for more photo booth backdrops, photo booth shells, and packages. Check that out at firebooth.com.